Today we're learning fractions. The difference between fraction and just whole number is that a whole number can stand on its own, while fractions do have a numerator and denominator. What do I mean by that? This is 1. This is a whole number. And this is 1 over 2. This is a fraction. Meaning that this 1 here is the numerator, while this 2 is the denominator. I'm not sure. Good. Under this fraction, we have different types of fraction, but the particular fraction we are talking about today are ones unlike fractions. Do not forget, when I say we have different types of fractions, we have proper fractions, we have mixed fractions, we have improper fractions, and we have equivalent fraction. So, we are going straight first to proper fraction. I'll say that, I guess. And later we'll discuss all the other types of fraction. So, proper fraction first. Examples, we have 1 over 2. Why do we call it proper fraction? It means the lower is always above, while the higher one is below. So that's why we call it proper fraction. That is lower above and then higher below. That's why it's called proper. We have 1 over 2, we have 3 over 4, we have 5 over 6, we have 7 over 9. These are what we call proper fractions. Now, the topic is adding and subtracting unlike fractions. What do we mean by like fractions and unlike fractions? 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2, these are what we call like fractions, meaning that the denominator are both the same. They are like. That word, like. We're not going to study like fractions, we're studying unlike fractions. So examples are what we call like fractions. So example of unlike fraction is 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4. Unlike fraction. Why? I told you that the denominator will not be the same. So the topic proper. Examples of additions of unlike fractions. Unlike, okay, let me just juggle your memory. Unlike like fractions, where we have a 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2, the easy way to handle this is that you just choose the denominator as the LCM, that's the lowest common multiple, then you add the top, you get the answer for this. It's very simple, no problem about that. But we are going to addition of unlike fraction. So we have example 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4. If we have a question like this, because the denominator are 2 and 4, what we'll do is to find the lowest common multiple. which I think you have been taught before now. If I define lowest common multiple for 2 and 4, we go with numbers that can divide both sides without any remainder. We have 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, and 1. So 2 multiplied by 2 will give you 4. So we come here, we have 4. Okay, find the lowest common multiple first for 2 and 4. We have them here. Then 2 is the first divisible factor. 1, 2 here, then 2 and 4. We have 2 times 2 and gives you 4. We have 4 here. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5 over 4. This is an improper fraction. Like I was telling you about the types of fraction we had earlier. So we can decide to leave it improperly, or we change it to a mixed fraction. So we go 1, that's 5 divided by 4 is 1, and the remainder 1, that would be 1 over 4. 1 over 1 over 4. So that's the first example. Let's go to the second example. We have 3 over 7 plus 2 over 5. Earlier, we had 2 and 4. Even at a glance, we can detect that it is easy to just choose 4 here. But we have to find the lowest common multiple of the denominator, that is 7 and 5. If you find out, if you are fast mathematical pupil or students, it's easy to just multiply both denominators to get your lowest common multiple number. Or if you're not sure of yourself, you still go find the LCM. You go 7 and 5. So which number is divisible by 7 and by 5? None. So we choose 5 first. 5 can go in 7, so we write 7. 5 and 5, 1. So the next number we choose here is 7. 7 and 7 is 1. 7 and 1 remains 1. So we have 5 multiplied by 7 gives us 35 as our lowest common multiple. That's the LCM. So we come here, we write 35. 35 divided by 7, obviously, is 5, considering what we had here. So 5 multiplied by 3 will give us 15, plus 35 divided by 5 is 7. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. So let's add 15 plus 14, 5 plus 4, 9, 1 plus 1, 2. So we have 29 over 35. So let's go to another example. Third example, we have 6. This is 6 over, I've used 7, 9 plus 7 over 8. I told you the first thing you do is to find the lowest common multiple. So we go LCM 9, 8. So which number is divisible? And divide through 9 and 8, none. We just go with 8 to save our time. 8 and 9, there will be a remainder, so we just write 9. 8 goes in 8, 1. So we have 1 here. Then the next number is 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. Then with 1. So our LCM equals 8 multiplied by 9, which gives us 72. We come back here, we write 72. Obviously, we see that we multiply 9 and 8 to give us 72. So 72 divided by 9 is 8. 8 times 6 is 48. Plus 72 divided by 8 is 9. 9 times 7 is 56. 56 equals, so let's take our addition board. 48 plus 56. 8 plus 6 is 14. We add, keep our 1 here. 4 plus 5, 9. Plus 1 here is 10. So we have 104 over 72. I said earlier, what I call this kind of fraction? I call it improper fraction. So we're going to change this improper fraction to a mixed fraction, same way we had it earlier there. So we'll have to find the number that can divide both 104 and 72 to the least. Seeing it, because it ends with even, or they both end with even numbers, so it's easy to just divide by 2. So 2 in 10 is 5, 2 in 4, 2, 2 in 7, 3, remaining 1, that's 12 now, added to these 2, 2 in 12 is 6, both even number end both, so we can still divide with 2, 2 in 5, 3, 2, remaining 1, added to these 2, that's 12, 2 in 12 is 6, 2 in 3, 1, remaining this 1, that will be 16, 2 in 16 is what? 8. So we have 26 over 8. We still have even number. Over 18, sorry. Over 18. We still have even numbers. Ending those letters, so we still divide by 2. 2 in 2, 1. 2 in 6, 3. 2 in 18, 9. So we have 13 over 9. So 9 is small, so we just go straight with 9 and 13. How many times do you have 9 and 13? Just 1. So 13 minus 9 gives us 4. 4 over 9. This is an example of a mixed fraction. So it is possible that we have a question from proper fraction down to improper fractions. Then at the end of the day, we have a mixed fractions. So I explained that earlier, and you can see it's playing out in most of our questions. So these are just few examples of adding or additions of unlike fractions. So let's go to subtracting unlike fractions. No. 2 over 5 minus 1. Like we did in additions, the first thing that we need to do is to find the lowest common multiple. But like I said, there are other ways that we can do this. If we have two numbers, two unit numbers, no home by unit, this will meant a unit tens. That's if we have 1, here is a tens, we have 12. If I'm not so unit number is just single number. Let me use the 10, that will be relatively understandable. If I just unit work, just one number, one single numbers. Sometimes you may just multiply those two denominators and get your, let's see, should we try it first? Let's see if it's the same. 5 multiplied by 3 will give us 15. And if we are to find the LCM also, we'll find out that 5, 3, we have the first number we have is 3, because no number can go through 5 and 3 at the same time, or that will not be left out with a remainder. So we have 5 here, we have 1, and we have 5 here, we have 1. At the end of the day, we have 3 multiplied by 5 to give us 15, which is the same as multiplying the two denominators. Okay? So 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 times 2, 6, minus 15 divided by 3, 5. 5 times 1, 5. So we have 6 minus 5 is 1 over 15. Very simple, you will say. So we have our number 2. For example, 2. Let's have something like that. Let's try double figures now. Let's use numbers that can go around. So we have so 8 over 19.
Excuse me, Mr. Fish. I don't understand this concept. I'm just trying to figure it out. Add 6 minus 5. Add 6 minus 5.
So we go here. That's 130. LCM sometimes makes things, or most times make things easy for us. If you want to divide 130 by 5, look at your LCM. This is 5. 2 times 13 is what? 26. So 130 divided by 5 is 26. So 26 times 3 will give us what? 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. That is 78. Minus 26 is 130. We have 2 times 13 is 26. So remaining what? 5. So 5 times 8 is what? 45. 40, sorry. So 78 minus 40. 8 minus 0, 8. 7 minus 4, 3. So we have 38 over 130. Like I said, when you see numbers end with even numbers, you divide by 2. So 2 in 3 is what? 1, remaining 1. 2 18. 2 in 18 is what? 9. That gives us 19. 2 in 13, that's 6. That's 12. Remaining 1, that's 10. 2 in 10 is what? 5. So that gives us 65. 19 over 65. If you think you can still go, let me see if we have let's see if I can go through. No. So it can go through. So we have to leave it there. Don't forget that I said 19 is also what? Prime number. So we've done 1 and 2 and 3. These are the examples we have in adding and subtracting unlike fractions. Let me take our minds back before I give you classroom. I said we have different kind of fraction in the beginning. We have proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, equivalent fraction, which I gave the examples. Then I want to add unlike fractions. Unlike fractions are fractions that their denominators are not what? The same. I said like ones means that denominators are the same. I said denominators are the ones that are under, while numerators are the ones that are on top. So the one at the one under carries the one on top. So the one under are the denominators. If they are the same, they are like fractions, while if they are not the same, they are unlike fractions. So we have 9 and 8 here, for example, under adding. I said the major thing you have to do is to find your lowest common multiple, and that is we have here. After you find that, we get our additions here. After you add, if you eventually get a number that is bigger than the denominator, this kind of number is an improper fraction. You have to try to divide through to get either a proper fraction or a mixed fraction. All these are what we discussed. And subtracting also, the same method we use for adding, the same method we use for subtracting, just that one is adding, while the other one is what? Subtracting. One is removing from, while one is what? Adding. So, this is what we have for now. Thank you for watching. I know you enjoyed it.